somewhere? I mean, everyone is trying to point out their own strategic advantage when it comes to AI. What about Sabey?
Yeah, I mean, what it's done to the data center industry, we're not unique from anyone else in this space. Is it's just poured gasoline on the fire and really just ramped up growth in this space tremendously. And so, from a finance perspective, what that has meant is really going back to our board and getting them to buy off on what our growth plans look like. When I first started, my very first board meeting, November of 2023, the president at the time and I worked through a growth plan. We brought that into the board, and we felt like it was really a pretty ambitious plan, and certainly more ambitious than what the company had attempted in the past. And every month after that last year, and up even including now, that plan has looked less and less ambitious than what we thought it was, just because of the overall growth. And so my focus shifted to how do we ensure that we have the capital that we need and we have the capital structure that we need as a company to go after this. And so we've partnered with our equity provider, NREA. They're off raising equity to the tune of $250 million a year to go finance the growth of the company. And I've focused on the debt markets and ensuring that we can bring in the debt financing that we need to help continue to ramp and grow the company.
Tell us a little bit about your lines of sight into the business then, and how how it's performing, whether it's growing and expanding the way you want it to.
Yeah, I mean, absolutely. So again, it's kind of an easy market to look like a hero from a CFO's perspective when things are growing as they are. And so the things that I'm focused on from a finance perspective are working with our sales staff. Let's start doing pre-leasing on these buildings even further in advance. And let's make sure that, when we're talking to our tenants about this, we are pushing the terms appropriately, right? I don't want to get in a situation where, we're overly greedy, but we definitely want to make sure we take advantage of the purchasing power that we have in this particular moment, if you will.